In this video, I'm going to be giving you a very simple tutorial on how to add the Siri voice effect to your Instagram Reels. And so basically we're just going to dive right into it. But before we do, I do want to let you guys know I have a free download below that is 10 free ideas for Instagram Reels. So if you've never downloaded that, highly recommend you go download that below, give you 10 ideas to get you started with creating Reels and how to use this voice effect in different Reels. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the Siri voice effect actually comes from TikTok. So if you're wanting to create a custom voice effect, my recommendation is to download the TikTok app, and you're gonna need TikTok and Instagram Reels in conjunction in order to do this. I have tried to research if there's other ways to do it without downloading TikTok, but that's the best way I've been able to find. But no worries if you don't use TikTok at all, because you can just create an account. You don't even have to post on it. You're not gonna actually post the reel. We just need it to be able to use the audio of a Siri voice effect and be able to customize that. So let me show you exactly how to do that. So I have the TikTok app pulled up, and to go to the editing section of TikTok, you're going to tap on the black plus icon in the middle of the bottom of your screen, and now we're in the editing part of TikTok. And then once we're in here, we're actually going to upload whatever video clips we want to be in our Reels. So that's pretty important. If you want to like film it in Reels first, save it to your camera roll, and then upload it here, you can totally do that. Or you can film outside the Instagram Reels app and upload it directly to your directly to TikTok. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tap upload. I'm gonna upload a video clip here just for the sake of this and to show you how it's done. So once I have my video clip selected, I'm gonna hit next at the bottom, and then we're gonna hit next again at the top. And if you have multiple video clips you're uploading, you're gonna wanna make sure you select them all at the same time. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, well, first I'm gonna remove that sound that it automatically added. We don't want that. Cool, okay. And then to create the voice effect, you're gonna type whatever text you want the Siri voice to say. So I'm gonna say something along the lines of what it's really like to run a small business. Like if that was the reel that I was making. And it doesn't really matter where this text is. My recommendation is once you upload it into Reels to cover it up with text in Reels, but you can also use this text as your text for your reel. So let's go ahead and do that. And then once you have that done, you're just gonna tap on the text and tap text to speech. And that's gonna essentially change this text so it adds like the speech part to it, which is the Siri voice. Once you're done with that, we're gonna hit next in the bottom right hand corner, and then you're gonna want to, I'm using an iPhone here, but I know you can use screen recording with Android, so I would navigate to that, turn your screen recording on. For here, I'm gonna swipe down from the upper right hand corner and tap on the screen recording button, and I'm already screen recording right now, but you would tap on that button. If you tap and hold down on it, you wanna make sure your mic is turned on. This is really important because you wanna record the audio, right? And so make sure your volume's all the way up, make sure your mic is on, and your screen recording is going. You know it's going if the upper left-hand corner has like that little red icon over your timestamp. And then we're gonna tap on the video, and we're gonna tap in the upper right-hand corner where it expands the video. We're gonna tap that so it fills the entire screen, and then we're just gonna let it run through the video from start to finish without talking, so that you can have a copy of the video with the with the Siri voice audio. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause and do that, and then I'll come back to you guys so that I have a recording of that video and I can show you what it looks like. All right, so now I've got that screen recording saved in my camera roll, so I'm gonna pull it up, come away from TikTok, and show you what it sounds like. All right, so here's what that screen recording sounds like. I'm gonna play it for you guys so you can see what it sounds like, and then we're gonna upload this into Reels in a second.
What it's really like to run a small business.
And then I let it play again because I didn't get the full like audio at the beginning, so let me skip to that. There we go, okay.
What it's really like to run a small business.
Perfect. Okay, so now that I've got that audio, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Instagram Reels part of Instagram, and I'll show you how to edit it there. All right, so in Reels, we're in Reels right now. I'm gonna swipe up and tap on the screen recording, which is typically the last video that you just filmed. And I'm gonna go ahead and scroll to the last, or the second part of this, because I want to make sure I get the full what it's really like to run a small business. Let's do that real quick.
What it's really like to run a small business.
Perfect. I'm gonna hit add right here, and then from here you can add any other like video clips within your reel that you want to. Okay, and then another thing I want to mention here, if you tap the audio button within Reels, you can actually add like background music to this if you want. So I'm just going to show you an example. Let me choose some music right here. All right, so I've got some music selected, and what you're gonna do is hit the preview button here, and you're gonna hit the little music icon, and you can, on the right-hand side, bring your music down to maybe around like 10 to 15 so that it's background music. And you're gonna wanna make sure that your camera audio is turned all the way up, and then have your background music turned to like 10 to 15 as just like background music. So then once you do that and hit next, then you have your beginning of your reel has like that Siri voice, and you still have some music on your reel. So when you have that camera audio all the way to 100, you're gonna be able to hear your Siri voice within Reels. Let me show you what that sounds like.
A small business.
See, you can see hear the Siri voice.
Like to run a small business.
Cool. And then you just continue editing your reel from there. If you want to add any other video clips or anything like that, you totally can. And like I mentioned before, something that I would do is, add text in Reels over where it says what it's really like to run a small business. So I'm going to do that real quick. And this is just so it feels more native to the Reels app. So something like that, you're still gonna have the audio and it looks like it was all created within Reels. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I share a lot about how to create Instagram Reels around here, and I would love to help you with even more things about all things Reels. And if you haven't already, download that 10 Frees Reels idea. Download down below. It's completely free, and I would love to help you out in getting started in creating Instagram Reels. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.